Hi guys, here are some short and easy sentences. Learn with Sidra. Let's start. I agree with you. I agree with you. मुझे तुमसे इत्तेफाक है. I see that. I see that. मैं वो देखता हूँ. No entry. No entry. दाखिला मना है. I don't suggest. I don't suggest. मैं तजवीज़ नहीं करता. Use your brain. Use your brain. अपना दिमाग इस्तेमाल करो. You can do it. You can do it. तुम ये कर सकते हो. I know him. I know him. मैं उसे जानता हूँ. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. मुझे उस पर यकीन नहीं. I remember. I remember. मुझे याद है. It is too hot. It is too hot. ये बहुत गर्म है. I want to know. I want to know. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. Who is he with you? Who is he with you? ये तुम्हारे साथ कौन है? Consider it done. Consider it done. समझो हो गया. It is here. It is here. ये यहाँ है. Put it on me. Put it on me. इसे मुझ पर रखो. Nothing needed. Nothing needed. किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please मुझे माफ़ कर दो. Give me one. Give me one. एक मुझे दो. At one point. At one point. एक नुक्ते पर. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. मुझसे मत पूछो. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. तकलीफ़ के लिए माजरत. Games teach us discipline. Games teach us discipline. खेलें हमें नज़्म ज़ब्त सिखाती हैं. Here is a good news for you. Here is a good news for you. आपके लिए अच्छी खबर है. Show doctor I will. Show doctor I will. यकीनन डॉक्टर मैं ये ज़रूर करूँगा.